Also happening right now, arguments are being considered for and against overturning a ruling regarding Georgia's so-called heartbeat law.
At stake, the abortion law passed 2 years ago and questions regarding if it should be permanently blocked.
The appeals came moments after Governor Kemp signed the legislation which prohibits an abortion once a heartbeat is detected in the womb. And in most cases, that happens at around the 6-week mark, before most women even know that they're pregnant. CBS 46 Capitol reporter Haley Mason followed the court hearing today. She's live at the state capitol with the very latest. Haley.
Rick, I'll first say the U.S. Supreme Court has heard a number of these cases, and they still have a number to consider. And it's impacting what's happening here in Georgia. Georgia's heartbeat law, as you stated, well, it passed the state legislature and was signed into law more than 2 years ago, but never took effect because the courts blocked it after it hit a major lawsuit. Planned Parenthood Southeast and the reproductive justice group Sister Song sued the state of Georgia over its 6-week abortion ban. The legislature passed it and Governor Kemp signed it into law in 2019. It was set to take effect in January of 2020, but the U.S. District Court in Atlanta blocked it from being implemented. The plaintiffs say the law violates Roe v. Wade by imposing obstacles for women to get abortions. State lawmakers, though, say abortion should be banned at 6 weeks when a baby develops a heartbeat. The courts did not issue a ruling today. That could take months, but many believe they may wait to see how the Supreme Court rules on abortion bans passed in Mississippi before making a decision. For now, the fight continues in court in Georgia. Here's attorney Jeffrey Harris arguing on behalf of the state at a virtual hearing of the U.S. Court of Appeals 11th Circuit. Also, Planned Parenthood CEO STACI Fox.
It is true that a lot of abortions happen at 6 or 7 weeks thereafter, but Scott would have talked about if the law were to go into force, what would have been the feasibility of detecting and obtaining abortions earlier in light of changes like that. So I think that sort of evidence would have been relevant.
You know, I think we're all worried about copycats, but I think the important thing to remember here in Georgia is that this law only passed out of the House by 2 votes. This was by no means a referendum.
And the judge mentioned many times in today's hearing that they really need to wait on this Georgia appeals case until the Supreme Court rules on the Mississippi case. That case bans abortion at 15 weeks. Even though that's a difference in time, they're saying that the way the Supreme Court interprets that law could impact how the Court of Appeals should interpret the Georgia abortion ban. We'll explain that in a little more detail coming up at 6 o'clock. Reporting live at the state capitol, Haley Mason, CBS 46 News.
Haley, thank you.